Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about saffron. It is the most expensive spice. Why is it so expensive? What is the harvesting process of saffron? What are the benefits of saffron? So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. The saffron harvesting process involves several steps. 1. Planting. Saffron bulbs, or corms, are planted in well-drained soil, typically in the summer months. 2. Growth and development. The corms sprout leaves in the fall, and by late October to early November, the crocus sativus plant blooms with purple flowers. 3. Harvesting. The flowers are carefully hand-picked before they fully open, usually in the early morning to prevent the loss of volatile compounds. Each flower contains 3 crimson stigmas, which are the valuable saffron threads. 4. Separating the stigmas. After harvesting, the stigmas are carefully separated from the rest of the flower. This delicate process is typically done by hand, as any damage to the stigmas can affect their quality and value. 5. Drying. Once separated, the stigmas are laid out to dry. The stigmas are spread out on trays or racks and left to dry for several days until they become brittle. 6. Packaging. Once fully dried, the saffron threads are packaged and stored in airtight containers to protect them from moisture and light. Additionally, because saffron production is labor-intensive and time-consuming, it remains one of the most expensive spices in the world. Here are the benefits of saffron in simple terms. 1. Mood booster. Saffron can make you feel happier and less stressed. 2. Antioxidant powerhouse. It helps your body fight off harmful molecules that can damage your cells. 3. Potential cancer fighter. These are some of the ways saffron can be good for you, making it more than just a tasty spice.
Hope you like this video. Do share it with your friends and family.